Hi! In front of me is TCL 403 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by going into Play Store and installing your new defaults. In my case, Opera Mini Browser. When your apps are ready, close Play Store and go into Settings. Now in Settings, scroll down to access Apps section over here. Then click on Default Apps and click on one of those options, in my case, Browser app. Lastly, you need to tap on your new downloaded one to apply it and select the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my browser app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!